Since your carb controls your fuel and air mix and flows directly into your motorcycle's engine, a dirty carb can cause a whole host of problems. The best way to avoid these problems is to keep your carburetor nice and clean. A good cleaner will do more than just clean your parts. It can also improve engine performance too. Luckily, there are plenty of excellent carb-specific products available. Here are the best carb cleaner products on the market. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best motorcycle carb cleaner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Genuine Ford Fluid PM2 Carburetor Tune-Up Cleaner. If you're happy to spend a few more dollars, the Genuine Ford PM2 Carb Cleaner is a great choice. Since it's a genuine product from the Ford Motor Company, you can trust the quality of this solution. Available in an 18-ounce aerosol spray, this carb cleaner is easy to apply and excellent at cutting through grime. As a carb cleaner, it's ideal for removing gum and other nasty deposits that often build up in your carburetor. It's particularly good for tackling stains that are caked onto cast iron or varnished steel parts without causing any damage. What makes this a great investment is that the formula is incredibly versatile. It's not just a carb cleaner. This genuine Ford Fluid PM2 Carburetor Tune-Up Cleaner can also be used for cleaning inlet systems, inlet valves, port areas, choke valves, and it can also be used for extracting stubborn spark plugs too. Number 2. Gum Out Jet Spray Carb Cleaner. This stuff is seriously cheap. Depending on the vendor, you can pick a can up for next to nothing, and while it's cheap in price, it's not cheap in quality. Gum Out has a few different carburetor-specific cleaning products on the market, but this one offers the best bang for your buck. This aerosol product can break down grease and grime that forms in and around your carburetor. It can clean gum, varnish, dirt, and oil. Like most of these aerosol products, it's great for quick results, but if you want to thoroughly clean your carb, you're going to have to get your hands dirty and take the thing apart. However, for quick dirt unclogging jobs, you can't beat this cheap and affordable spray. Gum Out's Jet Spray Carb Cleaner also works on other parts of your motorcycle. Number 3. Berryman B12 Carb Cleaner. Next up, we have another product that leans towards the more expensive end of the carb cleaning aerosol spectrum. This is the Berryman B12 Carb Cleaner. Unlike many other products on the market, this one uses a high solvent formula that cuts through grime, removes grease, and more. As a high solvent formula, it's not VOC compliant in many areas of the US. If you want a heavy-duty cleaner, this could be the product for you. It can make short work of gum, carb deposits, varnish, grease, grime, and oil. This product can also be used on a wide range of components, including the carburetor, throttle bodies, choke, and other valves. It's particularly good for motorcycles that have a tendency to lose power or stall. Number 4. CRC Carb and Choke Cleaner. CRC is a well-respected brand, and its products can be found in most auto shops around the country. The CRC Carb and Choke Cleaner is a great product, particularly for those on a budget. It's an aerosol carb cleaner that comes in a 12-ounce can, with a reputation for no-nonsense carb cleaning action. This fast-acting product can tackle anything from light contaminants to really heavy buildup. It simply dissolves them, allowing you to wash them off easily. It's as simple as that. What makes this a great product is the fact that it's a low volatile compound formula, VOC. It's powerful enough to tackle grease and grime, but it won't harm other parts of your motorcycle, such as your oxygen sensors or catalytic converters. Be careful on painted areas though. Also, because of the low VOC formula, this carb cleaner meets all US EPA and California requirements. Number 5. Berryman Chemdip Cleaner. Next we have another product from Berryman. This is the Berryman Chemdip Carb Cleaner. As the name suggests, it's an immersive chemical dip cleaner, designed specifically to tackle tough grime on small motorcycle parts. All you have to do is place the part in question on the drip tray and dunk. The formula can comfortably cut through oil, grease, varnish, and surface rust too. There's no monotonous scrubbing required. Though it's an aggressive formula, it's actually VOC compliant, and it's safe to use on plastic, rubber, and some painted components too. If a part is a metal or alloy, it's also completely safe. It's non-chlorinated, non-flammable, and won't cause any premature oxidation of parts. Like all immersion cleaners, there's a downside. It's not fast-acting and will require time for it to work its magic. And of course, large parts aren't compatible with this kind of cleaning method. For a carburetor though, it's absolutely perfect. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.